Machi from Rancilio, and today we're going to look at what's in the box of the Silvia Pro X so you know what to expect when you receive yours at home. So now that we've gotten the machine out of the box, what else comes with it? Of course, we'll have our machine, we'll have our manual with the safety certificate. So of course, if you have any questions about settings or anything like that on the machine, you could always reference that. And then from the big box, you get a smaller box of accessories. So what's in the small box? Let's take a look. We have a few things, such as a lovely Rancilio tamper, 2 different kinds of baskets. You have a single dose and a double dose basket. Most of us will probably end up using the double dose, as well as a blind for the basket so that you could do a back flush and cleaning at the end of the day. To assist with that, you have a few cleaning tablets to get you started. Of course, more are available online, as well as a cleaning brush. And of course, most importantly, you receive the lovely rubberized Rancilio portafilter. And should you need it and not have a Rancilio Stile yet, we do supply you with a dosing spoon if you're using pre-ground coffee. And that's all that's in the tiny box. So let's set up our Silvia Pro X. A couple things, of course. We're gonna have a nice clean countertop or surface. Make sure that it's nice and level. The feet here are leveling, so you could unscrew or screw them in a little bit should you need to level the machine if your surface isn't fully level. Other things that we want to do, of course, is remove the lovely film off of the top of the machine as well as our drip tray, so this just peels off. Of course, other things that we're going to do, we'll deal with the accessories in just a moment. We're going to add some water. We're going to make sure our water tubes are in the right places. So of course, we have our water reservoir here. There are 3 tubes. Basically, we have a return tube and an exhaust tube, and we have our suction tube here. The suction tube should be attached to the bottom of our tank. If it's not, just make sure that it's nice and secure in there. And then of course, when you take off the lid for the tank, you will also find one of these lovely BWT packet filters. So if you have concerns about your water or just your water taste coming out of your sink and you don't have inline water filtration at home, feel free to use one of these. You could also get bottled water from the store to use in your machine, of course, as long as it has a little bit of minerality in it. Spring water usually works quite nicely. Or you could use third-party products like Third Wave water, which is really awesome and will make your coffee taste very, very delicious. So this, of course, you can crack open and put in there should you need it. We make sure all of our hoses are good to go. Get some water from our lovely Rancilio water bottle, of course. And we fill that in like so. Next, very big and important thing, we need to plug it in. So I'll be right back. So turning on the machine, we of course flip on our switch. Then the machine will say first. We confirm with the main button and everything will fill and slowly dispense a little bit of water through the group. And once you get a fair amount of water out, you can hit again to pause. So it's going to make sure that the boilers are full. Once they're full, they're going to start to heat up. And once you have everything filled up, you can also turn on your steam boiler there. It'll start to blink. Once that's solid, the steam boiler is up to pressure. So we'll let it do its thing, and it will be perfectly temperature stable and reach full thermal equilibrium in about 20 minutes. If you have any other questions about the Silvia Pro X or any other Rancilio products, feel free to reach out to us on social media or in the comments down below.